Hey there, Rockabilly fans. It's your old pal Steve. I hope you're doing fantastic. In just a second, I'm going to give you the first of 2 free full-length Rockabilly Jam tracks, and I've got dozens more on my Patreon. You can check that out in the description below, and I'll talk about that in a second. This first one has no acoustic guitar. It's just a drum and a bass. It's great for soloing or rhythm. And the second one has acoustic guitars built in for a more full or rich sound. Let's listen to a sample of each while we gush over this Gretsch 6120 in the background. Okay, those are 2 quick samples of the dozens of tracks I've got on my Patreon. If you'd like to get them all, just go to patreon.com/rockabillyjam. Again, check a link in the description below. I've got dozens of cool tracks. Some of them are unique and take different twists and turns than you might expect. Other ones are sort of the typical 12-bar progression. And I've got different speeds from like 130 beats per minute to 150 to 170 to 190. So you can work your way up as you get better and better. Check those out. It's just a small monthly gift to my Patreon, or you can buy them all in a one-time purchase. Also, don't forget to check out my free Rockabilly guitar lessons here on YouTube. I'm putting out more every week and I think you'll love them. It's a blast and it's fun to hang out, just sort of talk about rockabilly and 1950s style music in general. Oh, and don't forget, hit like and hit subscribe. It's a simple, easy thing for you to do. It's a little thing for you to do, but it's big for me and it's big for the channel and it spreads the word about rockabilly music. Okay, let's listen to the first jam track and tell me how you do in the comments. See ya.